How do you highlight text in Adobe InDesign? No, there's not just a button you can click to highlight text, but there is a hack to it, and we're going to create a character style. So let's zoom in on some text in your document, and I'm going to highlight or select the text that I want to highlight. Once I have that highlighted, I'm going to go up to Window, down to Styles, and then Character Styles. You probably don't have anything in here, or you might, but we're going to add a new one. So just hit the plus icon right now, Character Style 3. Now this character style, I'm going to right click and hit edit. I'm going to name it highlight. And then what we're going to do with this character style, make sure preview is checkmarked. And of course you still had this highlighted out here. So maybe we're going to hit OK first and then click off of that text. Now we're going to go back into that and hit edit so that we can actually see the changes. We don't want that highlighted. It's going to be over the top of itself. Anyway, here's the silly part. We're going to go to underline options and we're going to turn underline on. Okay, so we have an underline. Well, let's change the color of it. I'm going to grab a yellow color, just like that. Now, all you have to do, though, is adjust the weight and the offset. So this is effectively a highlight. Watch, when I press maybe 10 point and hit enter, it takes me out of my window. So actually hit tab to insert that, but we can go back into this. Okay, so I've got 10 point in here and you can see how it can highlight, but we need to adjust the offset. So I'm going to click 5, hit tab, and now that went down. So I'm actually going to just use my up and down arrow keys to position this where I want it. Now maybe I want the weight a little bit more, and then I want to bring that down a little bit. And once I get it to the spot that I want it, just like that, I'd say that works pretty darn well. So you can just add a highlight exactly like that with this highlight character style. We hit OK. And now we can add it anywhere we want. So we highlighted this right here. We could highlight maybe just something random here by clicking on that character style in our character styles panel, just like that. Now the cool thing about this, it's not some random rectangle you made. It actually works within the text. So if you needed to edit this text and spell it completely wrong, it stays in there, right? The highlight keeps moving with the text. If you delete some, the highlight moves with the text. That's the key part of this. So you're just adding a highlight character style to certain text here in Adobe InDesign. Now, if you needed to actually use a character style in different ways, then you can add in other styles to that highlight or make multiple highlight character styles if you want. But that's an easy way to create highlighted text here in Adobe InDesign, just using character styles and a little hack on the underline feature.